Hey, how are you all guys doing? How are you everyone? Welcome back to my another video of NDA preparation. And as you all guys are aware that in the last video I told you guys that I had recently joined a academy named Balnoi Academy, which has a record of producing more than 16,000 plus officers in its past days. So yeah, I am there with my hope of becoming an officer, and of course I am quite working hard at this time. And yes, don't gauge my eyes cause they are a little bit red. I don't know the reason. I think there's something had bitten me late in the night, and because of that my eyes has got swollen up. Just leave it. So yeah, at this time I am with my maths book, means I am just practicing trigonometry, and a teacher I follow is him, Mr. Parveen sir. So yeah, he is a good teacher in mathematics, and I am following him since the last 5 days. So yeah, I wanted to tell you guys that I have joined the NDA 2 September batch. So yes, the ND1 batch had started in the December or in January. So yeah, at that time I was having my board exams. That's why I had to prepare for them also, and that's why I didn't join the academy that time. Because if I had joined that academy, the academy at that time, it would have been a waste, cause my classes are held between 9 a.m. and to 4 p.m. So yes, to reach there I have to get up at 7 and leave my home at 8. So yeah, it takes very much time to get there, because that is far away from my home. And also at that time I was having my school classes, the revision classes, the tests, and the overall syllabus was not up to the date. He was just calling us, and you all know what drama school creates. So yes, I had don't not joined the academy at that time, and I have joined the September batch. And today I am going to practice my maths, means I am going to at least cover 5 hours video, and I have already done 2.5 hours. So today we are going to complete our 5 hours trigonometry video. And after that, you guys remember that I had got many books from our academy. So yes, this is the test paper which the sir has had given us. It is of general abilities test, just to test where our knowledge lies. So my score was 168, and after cutting the negative marking it remained 128. So yeah, negative marking is a curse in this exam, cause it will make the maths exam quite difficult to pass out. And in the first exam I had scored in this exam my score was good, means I had scored 184, and after cutting the negative marking it remained 145. So the teacher said that 200 plus is a good score, but to score 200 plus you must do at least questions of 250 marks. And if there will be negative marking any in your questions, then 50 marks should be deducted in advance. Yes, just 200 is a good score. I want to tell you guys, I am, yes, you can see me there. And after the math section I'll be doing my you can say after the math section I'll be doing one from this English book, and after that English I'll be doing something you can say biology, and some geography from our GAT book. So yes, that's enough for our today's day. And yes, I have to also practice questions for my CUET, and I had bought this book recently, and yes, it has been left untouched because I am getting no time to study CUET, because from 8 to 5 we are having our classes, and after that I go for running. as you guys know that physical activity is a must for children of our age, and also the HS Khalsi sir had also advised the children to at least work out for 1 hour. The muscle power increases, and also had said to increase the leg power more and the muscles power, cause it is good for the SSB, cause their physical fitness test also occurs. So yeah, I told you something new. And if you guys want the notes from me, means if the notes you want to फ्री में, मतलब कि करंट अफेयर्स, इंग्लिश के, GAT के क्वेश्चन पेपर, मॉक टेस्ट, अगर किसी को कुछ भी चाहिए हो तो कमेंट में मेरे को बता देना एक बारी. So yeah, our today's plan is simple. We are going to just complete our maths, GAT, English. So if after that I cut my time, then I'll be practicing my CUT. And I wanted to tell you guys one thing, that as you guys know, the vocabulary is a must. And for your surprise, I had just completed the 5,000 plus words synonym and antonym in the last night. So yeah, I have completed read the book one time, means not one time, at least 3 to 4 times, cause I read the same words daily. मीन्स अगर F पढ़ रहा हूँ तो F पढ़ लेता हूँ, फिर 2-3 दिनों में. फिर अगर G पढ़ रहा हूँ, H पढ़ रहा हूँ, I पढ़ रहा हूँ, तो 2-3 दिन में रिपीट हो जाते हैं. सो 2-3 बारी छोड़ो, एक बारी कह लो मैंने 5,000 वर्ड्स एक बारी रीड कर ली हैं. अब इसको 5-6 बारी और पढ़ना है. वो होता है ना कि इफ़ यू जस्ट रीड द बुक वन टाइम, देन इट इज़ क्वाइट सिंपल टू अगेन ओपन इट एंड learn it. So I wanted to tell you guys that I have completed 4 chapters from my book, and many of you guys are saying in the comment section that how your voice comes, it seems like a girl is speaking. So yeah, don't make my fun. मेरी आवाज़ थोड़ी बहुत पतली हैगी, और अगर डाइक आवाज़ करके बोलता हूँ तो मतलब कि आई वुड बी नॉट एबल टू स्पीक फास्टली, कोज इट इज़ मैन मेड. सो या नेचुरली मेरी आवाज़ पतली हैगी. और चलो ट्राई करता हूँ, और कोई तरीके से होती है भारी तो मतलब कि अगर तेज़ बोलना हो ऐसे में, सो मेरे को तेज़ बोलना पड़ेगा काफ़ी ज़्यादा. तो इसी वजह से मैं इसको प्रीफर नहीं करता हूँ, क्योंकि फिर बाहर आवाज़ जाएगी, और बाहर तुम्हें पता ही है बच्चे बैठे रहते हैं, तो मैं नहीं चाहता मैं किसी को पता चले कि मैं वीडियो बनाता हूँ. सो या आज का प्लान अपना काफ़ी सिंपल हैगा, और चलो तो इसको जल्दी से लागू करते हैं और पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं.